Global warming is a complex and multifaceted environmental issue with significant implications for the planet's climate and ecosystems. Here are more detailed explanations of its causes, effects, and potential solutions. Causes of global warming. Harmful gas emissions. The primary cause of global warming is the release of toxic gases into the Earth's atmosphere. Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas, for energy, deforestation, and various industrial processes, significantly contribute to the emission of greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide. CO2 is the most prevalent greenhouse gas and accounts for the majority of human-caused greenhouse gas emissions. The burning of fossil fuels is the main source of CO2 emissions. Methane, CH4. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas with a much higher heat-trapping capacity than CO2. Major sources of methane include livestock agriculture, enteric fermentation, landfills, and natural gas production. Nitrous oxide, N2O. Nitrous oxide is another potent greenhouse gas produced from agricultural activities, particularly from the use of synthetic fertilizer. Deforestation and land use changes. Trees act as carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 from the atmosphere. Deforestation and land use changes, such as converting forests into agricultural land, reduce the Earth's capacity to absorb CO2, leading to higher atmospheric concentrations of greenhouse gases. Effects of global warming. Rising temperatures. The average global temperature has been steadily increasing over the past century. Warmer temperatures result in various consequences, such as heat waves, glacial melting, and altered weather patterns. Melting ice and rising sea levels. The warming climate causes polar ice caps and glaciers to melt, contributing to rising sea levels. This phenomenon endangers coastal communities, ecosystems, and infrastructure. Extreme weather events. Global warming intensifies weather patterns, leading to an increase in extreme weather events like hurricanes, storms, and droughts. These events can cause extensive damage to property and have human and environmental costs. Ocean acidification. Increased CO2 levels in the atmosphere also lead to higher CO2 absorption by the oceans, causing ocean acidification. This threatens marine life, including coral reefs and shell-forming organisms. Biodiversity loss. Many species struggle to adapt to the rapidly changing climate, resulting in habitat loss and a decline in biodiversity. Impacts on agriculture. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can disrupt agricultural practices and reduce crop yields, affecting food security for vulnerable populations. Solutions and mitigation. Renewable energy transition. Shifting from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power, can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Energy efficiency. Improving energy efficiency in buildings, transportation, and industries helps reduce overall energy consumption and emissions. Afforestation and reforestation. Planting trees and restoring forests can enhance the planet's capacity to absorb CO2 and mitigate the effects of global warming. Sustainable agriculture. Adopting sustainable farming practices, such as agroforestry and reduced tillage, can decrease greenhouse gas emissions from the agricultural sector. Climate policy. Governments and international agreements play a crucial role in setting policies and regulations to limit emissions and encourage environmentally friendly practices. Public awareness and education. Raising awareness about global warming and its consequences can foster support for climate action and individual behavior changes. Addressing global warming requires collective efforts at the global, national, and individual levels. The urgency of the issue calls for immediate action to mitigate its impacts and ensure a sustainable future for future generations.